doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be switching up the tempo today with a hair video. I have always been known for my hair, how healthy it is, how long it is, how quickly it grows, and I thought it was time to go ahead and expand my channel's content by adding some hair tips and secrets and things of that nature. Make sure that you follow me on all my social medias, on IG, Kyle Lorraine. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like the vibe, and let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be talking about some of my top favorite hair products, hands down, things that I keep buying, brands that I absolutely love that I would like you guys to add to your hair collection. Please keep an open mind when looking at some of the brands of these. I know that a lot of different cultures have it set in their mind that this hair brand is not for me, that hair brand is not for me, that product isn't for me because of their race or their cultural background, but I'm here to tell you that everyone's hair strand is different, and it's not only according to race, but your culture, your diet, your habits in your life, and things of that nature. So please keep an open mind when looking at some of the brands because they have some great products for you as well. The first thing that I want to start off is talking about cleansers and shampoos and conditioners. Some of my favorite brands are the Trader Joe's shampoo, which I want to show you guys. That is the Tea Tree Tingle from Trader Joe's. Is very affordable. They're very low. I do have backups already in my shower, so this just proves to show you that I actually do use this stuff. The reason why I love this is because it's great for my scalp. I do suffer from psoriasis and eczema, which a lot of people do not know that about me, and I have psoriasis of the scalp. So yes, I need tea tree, and I love tea tree, and it's good for me. The next one I want to talk to you about is not so cheap, and that is Nizoral, and I got this from Target actually, and I think they carry it on Amazon, and it's an anti-dandruff shampoo. However, I don't have dandruff, but I do have psoriasis of the scalp, which can often look like dandruff, but it treats it the same way. So this stuff has actually been really good to me, and it can run a little pricey at like $15, but it did last me a long way, and I do have a lot. When my hair was even longer, I didn't use that much product. I actually would use too much. So this stuff does lather up, so make sure you're careful with this stuff. The next brand that I want to talk about is Garnier. Garnier is a household name brand for me. I love Garnier. I love the leave-in conditioners. I love their hair protectant. I love their shampoo, their color care system, and that's what I want to talk to you about today. This is an oldie but goodie, and this is the Garnier Color Shield Conditioner, I believe. Yeah, the conditioner. And I have the shampoo, but I wanted to bring down the shampoo. My cat just did something crazy, but I wanted to show you guys the conditioner because I really love this. After I color my hair, I don't like to wash it for like 2 weeks, but I use this if I have to, and I'm telling you, it protects my color, and it's cheap, so it's like $4 or $5 if that, but this is part of their Eau collection, and it works just as good. In the last 2 years, Garnier actually launched their Whole Blends collection, and I have a thing for like argan oil and Moroccan oil and things of that nature when it comes to hair products, and this stuff smells amazing. This is their Moroccan Argan Camellia Oil line. It's the illuminating shampoo and conditioner. So this stuff like is my zhuzh. So this stuff leaves your hair very silky and smooth. It's not the first thing I would reach for if my scalp like was really dry, but it does leave your hair nice and silky and smooth if you just need to have a rinse. So if you're having like a bad scalp week, or you did a lot of sweating and working out, this isn't something I would reach for. This is more for like when you're having a normal day. The next brand that I want to talk about that I'm like such an advocate for is Chi. Chi is an amazing hair line. Some of you guys may know it. They're also known for their very expensive products. Usually when I find their hair items, I get it from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, which I actually just found recently that on Amazon they have things too that are pretty much around the price that I would pay for in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. But usually I will find things on clearance, maybe in like a duo pack, where I can save a little bit of my coins. One of my biggest secrets is using Chi's Infra treatment. This is a thermal protective treatment, and this is just one more step that you can use after shampooing and conditioning, and you almost treat it like a deep conditioner, and this will help protect your hair even further than a heat protectant spray. And their stuff really does smell good. It kind of smells similar to the Garnier products, where it's a clean and almost like a masculine smell, but not too strong. I tend to gravitate towards keratin products. Oh my god, you can see, listen, this is real. Like, these are my actual products. Like, I literally just got these out of my shower. I'm sorry, it's dented because I use it. I'm always changing things, so that's why I get the smaller bottles, but they last you a long time. My oldie but goodie shampoo that I just want to mention to anyone that's young, maybe watched my videos when I couldn't afford other things. As you can see, this was on clearance for like $2.50. Back in the day, I got this from the hair supply store, Mane and Tail. There's a lot of controversy around this brand, but I'm telling you, this, I'll insert some pictures while I'm talking to you guys, but this shampoo got me through college. This shampoo got me through high school. So I don't care what nobody says, this stuff worked for me. And if it doesn't work for you, that's okay, but it's not a huge investment, and it's okay if it doesn't work out. Maybe you can give it to someone, but this stuff did what it needed to do for me. So I'm gonna go on the realm of heat styling, so I'm going to go into like heat protectants. I'm a huge advocate for heat protectants. As we talked about earlier, I do use the Chi Infra treatment, and that helps with protecting your hair from heat products and styling and things of that nature. So I go in after I blow dry on a cooler setting, and I use heat protectant. Usually I use the Garnier thermal protector, but right now all I have is the L'Oreal Paris Sleek It Iron Straight Heat Spray, and this stuff actually isn't bad. Just take a peek at it. It's actually not half bad. Another step that I would include into my hair care that I absolutely cannot live without are hair serums. I don't necessarily grab towards grease for my hair when I'm doing heat styling. When I'm doing natural styling, I reach more for the grease, but I use oils and serums when it comes to flat ironing. So my favorite serums at the moment are Chi, the Keratin Silk from that collection that I was telling you guys about. So if you can't get this, because this can run very expensive, would be the Garnier Whole Blend Smoothing Oil with coconut oil. I love this one. This one is amazing. It smells so good. I do use Sulfur 8 Medicated Original Formula at times for my scalp when it's really irritated because of my psoriasis. Softy is a household name in the black community, especially. And I get them from the dollar store actually. They sell them in like mango butter, argan oil, castor oil, Indian hemp. Like this is just one of the many that I actually have. And I'm pretty sure I'm not the only girl who still uses these. If you still use them, please be real, comment down below. Thank you. And speaking of the dollar store, I actually got this Lusty Shea Butter Edge Gel. I use this for my edges if I want to sleek them, or I'm doing like a sleek bun or something. Natural styles, whatever. I use this for my edges sometimes. This went viral, I think, last year, and people were buying this stuff like crazy out of the dollar store. So when I get excited and I talk about hair, like I just can't help it. It is a good product, and it's nice and lightweight. It doesn't leave it like flaky and stuff like that. So now that I'm done talking about my heat products, I'm gonna go ahead into my natural hair products. This is a peek into my hair products, guys. Like, I have so many. It was hard to kind of narrow this down, but here I am trying to work a miracle for y'all. And here are a couple of my recent favorites and some of my staple pieces in my hair products for when I'm styling my hair naturally. For someone who has longer hair and heavier hair, my curls sometimes turn into waves, so it needs a little zhuzh, it needs a little boost in order for that curl to start popping. And I use the Cantu Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. This right here. One of my good guy friends from college actually introduced that to me for like, it's like $5.99. And yes, a male actually told me about it and put me on, and his curls was popping. I said, well sis, why you ain't tell me? I could have been on. So from now on, I use that always in the shower. I have to use it though when my hair is like drenched in the shower. I can't put it on my hair when it's damp. It's too heavy for my hair texture. I definitely make sure my hair is drenched in the shower before I put it on. I cannot talk. I'm sorry, y'all. This is after work, and I'll be honest with y'all, like, I'm not tired, but obviously my tongue is tired. Before that, in order to get my hair prepared to have curls and, like, you know, nice and silky before, I would use It's a 10 Miracle Defrizzing Cleansing Conditioner, and I got this from, I believe, sorry, it looks like this, y'all. It was in my shower. I'm sorry. This was from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx low-key has a good collection in natural hair care and professional salon hair care. When I'm styling my hair naturally, I do definitely go in with a co-wash. Specifically, if I don't have a co-wash handy, I will use like a conditioner, something like the Garnier Illuminating Shampoo one that's kind of like has a lot of slip in it. This stuff is amazing, y'all. I special ordered this from Target.com because they don't sell it in the store, and I don't really care for Wally World. Please, if you don't do anything from this video, take this. No, actually, get all of them because they're all affordable. Sis, you need all this stuff, okay? I'm not a fruity type of girl. Like, I don't like fruity scents or perfumes on me, but this doesn't, it smells fruity, but when you put it on in the shower and after you like rinse it out and stuff, it smells so bomb. Of course, it's infused with argan oil. That's like one of my favorite oils for my hair. So yeah, y'all please get this. This was like $10, I think. And the last two items I want to talk about for after I put the Cantu Curl Activator on would be something like It's a 10 Miracle Defrizzing Curl Cream. This is what it looks like. This stuff smells so good. It has an interesting texture. It comes out almost as if it would be a shampoo, but then when you put it in your hair, it kind of settles into your hair. It's really lightweight. It's not a heavy product. And for my hair, I don't know about y'all, but it's thicker, and I need something that's a little bit heavier to really lock and yank up my hair and say, listen, I need you to stay put. So that doesn't have any hold in it, but it does help with the frizzing to minimize that. So what I always go in with my oldie but a goodie, my Eco Styling Gel with the argan oil one. Most people love this, some people don't care for it, but I like the argan oil one because it does not flake on me. I have tried other Eco Styler gels that have flaked, and this is my go-to. I use this towards my roots for the most part and towards my ends in order to get my hair to stay in the way that I'm trying to style it when it's natural. So everyone, I mean, listen, look how low this stuff is. Look how low this is, y'all. Like, I do this. I do this for real. Yeah, so I get that from like the hair store or something like that, or Target, and yeah, I don't think I missed anything. So yeah, that's the end of my video, guys. I hope you guys were able to take something from this video. Check out these items down in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing them. I will try to leave you a friendly link. I'm Lorraine, and thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you subscribed because you like the vibe here. Give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of content and you want to learn more hair secrets for your personal growth, development, I don't know. And I've come to realize that my channel is pretty much about being a better you. So I'm excited about that because I feel like I've been doing that for the past 2 years now, and I've been feeling so great, and I'm just trying to pass on that love and that same emotion and feeling for you guys. I want you to be the best you can be. Peace, love, and hair grease, and I'm out. Deuces.